Can you perhaps tell us a little bit about what people can expect from this particular workshop?
Yeah, sure. Look, what it really is a consolidation of all the work I've been doing over the last maybe 6 years in where I've been putting together courses, and I've done it various different formats. And first of all, I had no idea about how to put a course together, so I sort of bumbled through it. And that was my very first one, which was my smoking cessation course. And then over the years, I've done various bits of training with people such as Sam Ovens and Aaron Fletcher, and specifically the Fletcher method. And what this now is everything I've learned along the way, but instead of doing it the old manual way, which pretty much everyone does anyway, I'm using Aaron's AI platform, artificial intelligence platform, and what that is effectively he's codified his process into a artificial intelligence model. What that means is you put the right ingredients in and you bake the right cake, and it auto-generates. And so I taught this over a year, over the last year in a group. I had 15 people in a particular group, and all creating their courses. And I learned a lot along the way about what works, what doesn't work, where the confusions are, where the objections are. And then I thought, hell, I reckon I could do this in a weekend now. And so I've recently been in New Zealand, and I was in New Zealand for a 2-day workshop. And effectively, what we did was what I took everyone through over a year, but it wasn't that, it wasn't so much work anymore. So what they can expect after like 2 days, basically wrapping up on the Sunday, they'll have a very, very solid outline draft of their course, plus the ability to create dozens and dozens of auto-generated emails, adverts, visual roadmaps, lead magnets, and I think it's a 300-slide course. So and I know for a fact no one's going to do that because they don't know, they get bogged down. This is an automated, structured framework which does it for you, and all you do then is go in and tweak the words.